Alright, got my Uber health and safety supplies today from, looks like Uber's contracting a shipper out of Bay Lake Trail in North Las Vegas to process their health and safety supplies shipments. So let's see what they got. Oops, sorry. Packs of Keep Clean Advance 80 sanitizing wipes. Let's get this code here. And try to get a snapshot of that. Sorry, I'm doing like more than one thing at a time here. Snapshot of that. Get another snapshot of the Alright. Well, there we have it. The big unboxing. Uber Health and Safety Supplies shipment has been received. And I will go back to the Uber driver app and request more of these rare supplies that are way overpriced at the convenience store, but Uber can just give them away for free. All right.